December 1st, 2012, we are going to observe. Generally, we don't call it a celebration day because AIDS is such a human problem. In fact, I should call it HIV, not AIDS. These days, we are not calling AIDS at all. We are only calling HIV because there is a lot of difference between HIV and AIDS. AIDS represent, we can say, an end stage of an infection, HIV infection. So, if a person is infected, we call HIV positive, whether male or female. It is a major public health problem these days, and it is a very big menace. Of course, entire world is facing, and India is one of those countries. And if you see the statistics, it will be surprise. If you see the statistics, it will be surprising for all of you that in India, if you take the latest estimations, about 25,000 people are infected with HIV. We call them PLHIV, the people living with HIV/AIDS. So, out of 25 lakhs, 5 lakhs are living in our state, that is Andhra Pradesh. So, Andhra Pradesh is a leading state in terms of implementing all welfare and development programs, but at the same time the prevalence of HIV in terms of estimated HIV positive population is very huge, and that is a major challenge. One good thing about our state, or you can say NACO or APSACS, the functioning of which is very effective in the last 2 decades, because of which the prevalence of HIV infection is coming down. If you take say 6 years back, the HIV infection was at the level of about 2.4%, but if you take the latest estimations, it is less than 1. Rather, in 2010, the surveys have shown that it is 0.77. Generally, we take ANC prevalence as the indicator of HIV prevalence in the general population. It was recorded as 0.77 in 2010, and the program data also shows that it is coming down. The aim is to reduce new infections. I must emphasize that if a person is infected, he or she, they remain infected for lifetime. They cannot become negative once they become positive. So, we cannot do away with the people who are suffering from this infection, isn't it? So, we have to take care of entire positive population, and this 5 lakhs of people we have to take care. APSACS has been implementing various strategies to prevent new infections, to test the population who are suspected to be positive, and to take care of the population which is infected. We call it PLHIV, people living with HIV/AIDS. We have seen 3 phases, we call them NSCP first, second and third phases. In the first phase, in fact, we call it a phase of dismay and despair, where we just came to know about this seriousness of this infection in our country and in our state, and we started working on the issues relating to HIV, whether it is testing, whether how much infection cause harm to the human being, what is the fatal rate of this infection. We just started to think about this new problem, but we realized that is a very major threat faced by our country and by our state. So, during NSCP phase 1, it was in a campaign mode basically, and we created a lot of awareness in the people, whether it is urban, rural, even interior places. People know about this problem about 15 years back. Yes, HIV AIDS problem is there, and it is a major cause of concern to all of us. It is a major health hazard. In fact, they thought, we also gave a lot of publicity that it is a killer disease. So, in the first phase, when we were doing campaigning and talking about this disease, Then the popular slogan was, talk AIDS and stop AIDS. When we were doing that, we also found that it also created, a kind of fear in the minds of people about this disease. And that is closely linked to the problem of, stigma and discrimination, which is still seen in the population. In the phase 2 of this NACP, we started, testing people, and people also were coming forward slowly to test whether they are positive or not. And those who was positive, we had to take care. We started establishing some ART centers, because ART treatment is part of HIV control program. We started treating the patients, and we started establishing the blood bank, so that no blood which is given to a patient is infected blood.